Yeah, sex can feel good. For anybody who's ever had it, experienced it before, whether it's on a high level or a low level, sex can feel good. You know, especially if you're dealing with a lot of stress, you tired, exhausted, you're feeling like you need to unwind and let go and say, whew, and have a sensation running through your body that's unexplainable, some type of tingle that is amazing. So, sex, it feels good for those that have ever experienced it. Now, I'm not encouraging you to run out and do it because it can be contagious, but it feels good. If you have bills that you got to pay, if you're trapped up in schoolwork or your life is just shitty, sometimes being able to have sex is a good feeling, at least temporarily. It doesn't solve anything. It doesn't change the price of tea in China. It won't make these gas prices go down. It would just be a temporary fix for a long-term problem. And you will have to repeat it over and over and over again. And you may not always have the same candidates. As emotions change, people's desires not change for the sex part, but just change for another partner. Nothing good seems to happen forever. So you have to chase it and see if you can catch it and enjoy it as long as you can. So all I'm saying today is sex feel good. Love y'all.